Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to try and experience Windows 11 operating system without using any computer in Android smartphone or tablet. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my Android tablet home screen. So if you're using an Android smartphone also, the tricks will remain the same. So firstly what you need to do is just open the Play Store, and in the Play Store just search for one application name as Windows 11 Real Simulator. Just search this application and you will see on the first list, just tap on it, just tap on install to install this application. So wait for a few seconds until the complete installation is done. So once the installation is done, just tap on open. So finally you can see the lock screen. So what you need to do is just tap on it and now click on sign in. So finally you can see the look-alike Windows 11 operating system. So this is not just a picture. Here you can experience almost similar Windows 11 operating system. So on the left bottom you will see widgets. So you can see here. So this kind of widgets you will be seeing on the real Windows 11 operating system, and if you tap on this Windows Start icon, you will see exactly the same way as you see in the Windows 11. And if you tap on this all apps, you can see the similar layout and application. So don't expect all apps will gonna work here. It's just to make you experience, but here are some applications really works. So let me show you, like calculator. So you can see, and on the above you can see a maximize and minimize button also. So if I minimize it, so you can see, and you can see uploading split screen options, like split screen options. You can use it also. If you tap on it, it really gonna works here. And if you tap on this cross icon, which is a close, then it will get close. So even if you click on this chairs icon at the taskbar, you will get the same layout as you see in the original Windows 11 operating system. And on the right bottom you will see there are some network indicator like the Wi-Fi, volume, battery rate. So if you tap on any one of this, you will see the exact menu layout or the system menu layout. As you can see here, you can just toggle it off and on from here also, and you can increase or decrease the volume also from here. And if you tap on the time and calendar, you will see exactly like the Windows 11 operating system calendar layout. So if you tap on this file explorer, you will see exactly the user interface of the file explorer. So it gives you almost the look-alike Windows 11 operating system to make you feel and try and experience the Windows 11 operating system without needing to have a computer in your Android smartphones or tablets very easily. So let us check the final one thing. Just tap on the start menu icon, and now you will see in the bottom power button. If you tap on it, you will see exactly the similar options which is available on the Windows 11 operating system on the computers also. You will see exactly the same option, and you can just click on this shutdown if you want to shut down. So using this application named as Windows 11 Real Simulator, you can easily try and experience Windows 11 operating system without using any computer in Android smartphone or tablet very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.